All right, hey guys, OFD checking in here, and today we're going to talk about watch straps, specifically watch straps from SIFU. It's not the first time I've talked about SIFU straps. I think I was actually the first guy to put SIFU straps on YouTube. At least I purchased them and I did a video on them, and I think I was one of the first ones. But I really love the straps, and that's why I picked them up. I love what the idea is. So the idea behind these is a single pass strap. The individual that started this company out of Parker, Colorado, it is a family-owned, family-run company. All the straps are designed and assembled in Parker, Colorado. But basically, he's a watch collector, and he was looking for the perfect NATO strap out there. You know, and I agree with your double pass NATO straps that have two pieces underneath the watch. It's really heavy and kind of cumbersome, and there's always a better way to do a strap, and he came up with this idea. So I have been a big fan of the straps. This is their I think their Admiralty gray model here. This is a tan model I have here on my 1979 Seiko 7548, which looks awesome. But recently I picked up some other straps, and I wanted to share those with you. Some of these are in their new ribbed design, which is a newer material. So I wanted to get those out and show those to you. I have a bunch of different colors here. Now, many of these are in the standard material that they've originally had. But I did get some of the new ones in the rib material. They wanted me to check those out. And they did send me some of those as a courtesy, which I think is great, so I could get them here on the channel. But this is their newer ribbed material. And you can see a difference right away in the texture of the fabric itself, or the material for the strap itself. A little bit different feel on the wrist, but I really like this. This is in your new kind of modern bond style strap. Also this one here in the modern bond. And they do have the classic bond with the red, the green, and the black also. But very, very comfortable straps. One of the things I've had people comment when I did these before was, wow, I don't want a big badge on my strap showing. Well, it doesn't show. It never shows when you wear it. It's actually underneath the keeper as you fold it back. And even if you don't, fold it back, if you trim it to fit, it's going to cover it up. So I don't know why people mention that, but that's not going to be a problem there. But this is the 22 millimeter, the kind of modern bond here on the Tudor FXD. On my Doxa, I have, this is the green model, kind of the military green style here, which looks really good. And just super, super comfortable straps. A little bit more to get these on the wrist, but they are very, very comfortable once you get them on. This is in their red color. They call this crimson, which I really love on this Marathon Navigator. I think it looks good. And these just wear super comfortable. Once you've tried one of these, and a lot of my viewers on the channel have tried them and have basically said, that's it. I'm only using SIFU NATO straps, and that's what a lot of people have done. The really cool thing is the price. These run you, I think, $16.50 a piece, which is really reasonable for a designed and assembled in the United States, right there in Parker, Colorado, by a family-owned company. Really special, and that's a great price. So also, if you do have a watch with PVD hardware, like my MWC G10 here, there's a 200 meter watch with a 10-year battery life, but you can get the PVD to match that case also. So that looks really good. But these are great straps, and I think for the pricing, it's really tough to go wrong. I will leave links to SIFU straps down below in the description. Now, SIFU, if you're not familiar, that is master. So that's kind of like a martial arts terminology there for master or teacher. Which is pretty interesting, but really, really nice looking straps from the SIFU lineup. They have all kinds of different colors available. There are, of course, black, just standard black available. And like I said, in the bond straps, which we have in these stripes here, there's also the classic bond, which is going to be in your red, your green, and your black. And so that looks really good. And of course, here on the 7548, I have the tan model, which looks really, really good. Well, I'm going to leave links down below in the description of this video for SIFU straps if you guys are interested in picking some up. I don't think you can really go wrong for the pricing. I think they're great and really good stuff. Another thing, if you guys are into straps, I do have the Watches of Espionage Glomar Explorer strap out for delivery today, and I'm gonna give that a try here on the Tudor FXD. I'm traveling this week, and I'll probably just travel with this watch only, and plan on taking that strap with this watch, and we'll see how that works out. So, all right, guys, you like the video, give me a thumbs up down there at the bottom. Definitely go over to the website, check out SIFU straps, because it's really hard to go wrong with these straps, especially at the price point, and they have a lot to offer now in this rib material and their standard materials they've always offered, and they're really good people to work with, fast shipping. I've just really enjoyed every moment I've gotten to do business with them. So, all right, guys, thanks for tuning in. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up down there at the bottom if you like the video. Thanks, guys.